the client is not happy. Now, the build turned out great, but we made a little bit of a mistake. Today on Ricksaw, we're gonna answer the ultimate question. Is this the easiest 1800 I've ever made, or the biggest mistake of my woodworking career? All right, so today is install day, and we are delivering this to the client and installing it. It is a laundry pedestal, okay? If you're interested in plans, I do have some plans linked below. They are from craigtool.com, and I made a few modifications to those plans to be able to work with my customers' needs, all right? All right, so let me go through exactly what this laundry pedestal is built for, all right? So two washer and dryer are gonna go on top of the unit. We'll have pull-out drawers for shoes and boots on each side, okay? Face frame, the entire thing is made out of plywood, 1/4 inch plywood on the sides and 3/4 inch on the top and face frame. This face frame was sanded and filled so you can't even see the edges, glued and jointed with pocket holes together. And then also in the center we have a nice drawer, very deep, okay? It's about three-quarter extension. There's some space back here as well. Very deep drawer, 1/2 inch plywood used here. And then the drawer front is completely 3/4 inch plywood for the rails and stiles, and 1/4 inch plywood on the front, okay? And then the handle is bolted right through. Turned out really great. And then just finished on the side, and this side's going up against a cabinet. This side is going up against a wall, so you won't even see that. It is straight through all the way back. They didn't want anything behind there, and that is gonna make it easier to connect the laundry room hookup to dust port, all right? All right, so like I said, install day. I'm gonna get this loaded up. I will take as much video as I can when I'm at the customer's home. I do wanna make sure that I can film there, so I will, work some things out, but I'll get you as much content as I can, all right? So stay tuned. I'm gonna be right back and I'll show you the rest. Hey everyone, so here we are on site and the install went pretty well. Client is very happy with the piece. We've got the washer and dryer all set up on it, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a reveal. We did make one mistake, and I'm fully transparent about my mistakes, so I'm gonna show you what happened. But let's go in the laundry room and check it out. All right, so here we are. We enter through the garage, we go into the laundry room, and there we have the laundry room pedestal all set up. All right, got the pull-out drawers, okay. All right, full-size drawer, got their lint bin in there, and another pull-out drawer. And then behind it, easy access for your dryer hookup, okay. And everything turned out pretty well. Now the mistake that I made was this little blemish right here on the wall, scooting it back in. But we're gonna touch that up for them. Should be good as new. All right. All right, so from the start of the video, was this a easiest 1800 ever made, or biggest fail of my woodworking career? I think this turned out really well. Client's satisfied, I'm satisfied. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time on Ricksaw.